I'm back at it again. I've got $1,001 bills on my desk in an attempt to find some fancy serial numbers, some rare star notes, some old bills, or some printing errors. Hey everyone, it's Rob Finds Treasure. Welcome back to the channel. If you guys have been following me all along, you know I like hunting 1,000 bills at least once a month, sometimes more often than that, in an attempt to find some fancy and valuable bills. Now, if you're new to bill collecting, down below in the video description, I have a whole bunch of links about information about what collectible bills are. I have information about web notes, bar notes, star notes, collectible serial numbers, you name it. All those links are free. And again, they're down below in the video description. Of course, if you'd like to go ahead and have something permanent on your desk when you're hunting, I do have my collectible US paper notes mat. And of course, that's available for you guys to check out at the link right there. Enough of that. We've got 1,000 bills today. I don't know if they're going to do really well because they're teller straps. Teller straps are straps that the bank tellers put together in straps of 100 bills from business deposits. Sometimes the tellers go through them. Sometimes customers have gone through them. And so you never know what you're going to get. I have tried to get a Federal Reserve brick again, but it seems like it's getting tough to get one straight from the Federal Reserve. So I'll take whatever I can get. Last bill hunt, I had 5 good straps and 5 bad straps. Hopefully, we have 10 good straps this hunt. Because it's 10 straps of 100, and because I don't want the video to be 25 minutes long, I will be hunting the straps off camera, and then I'll come back and do strap recaps of what I found in every 100 bill strap. If I happen to find something that is really valuable or an epic find, I'll bring you guys back immediately before the strap recap. I've talked long enough. Let's get this hunt started. I'll be back with my first find in strap number 1. We finished hunting strap number 1. It didn't give us any fancy serial numbers, but we did get a star note from 2013. If you guys are not familiar with what we do with the star notes, I put them to the side for now. And then at the end of the hunt, we'll plug all of the star notes into the star note lookup site that I have down below, and we'll see if we have any rare or valuable ones. In the meantime, we've got to get to another strap. So we move that to the side and come on strap number 2. Let's find something good. Strap number 2 is the same story as the first strap, just another star note this time from 2017. I'll tell you, no close calls yet, no fancy serial numbers yet. Been tough, but at least we're getting star notes. Let's see what we find in strap number 3 now. Strap number 3 was our best strap so far. We got 2 star notes. They're both 2017A, and they're both starting with 15, and they need to start with 16 from that year to be more rare, I remember, because I found a lot of these. Either way, 2 star notes in a strap is good. We have 4 star notes now through 3 straps. Couple of cool looking bills. They're not fancy in any way, but this one has 44, then 3 3s, then 3 1s. You know, had it been like 4, 3, 2, 1, a countdown, I might have kept it, but I'm not going to keep it, even though it's a pretty nice bill with kind of a cool serial number. And then the other bill, I don't know, it's not a radar, it's not a repeater, it's neither. It's just a close call. We have 1s, 5s, 9s, and 4s. And if you look at the order of it, it looked good for a second, but it's not. It's nice seeing a couple of close calls along with a couple of star notes. What's going to be in strap number 4? Well, unfortunately, strap number 4 was a bust. The only bill worth even mentioning was almost a repeater. Obviously, the first 4 need to match the second 4, and the only thing close about him was a 05, but only 9 bills off of being a repeater note. Would have been a cool note. It isn't. We'll send the strap back. Come on, strap number 5. Help us out. Strap number 5 gave us our 5th star note, so we're still averaging 1 star note per strap, which is what I like to find. Unfortunately, we haven't found anything old yet prior to 2000, and we haven't found any fancy serial numbers, just a few close calls. That's halfway through our hunt. Hopefully these 5 straps are at least as good, but maybe even better. Let's find out. Well, strap number 6 gave us no finds, but it gave us a couple of teases. Take a look at this. Man, we just needed that 2 to be a 7, and we would have had a quad double. 2 numbers, both 4 of a kind. It would have been 4 7s followed by 4 8s. Even though the bill's not in great shape, that would have been a fun one to have. And unfortunately, the 2 blocked us. And then we almost had a radar. We have all the right numbers. 1 2 5 1. We needed 1 2 5 1 the other way. We needed that 1 1 right here to be at the back of it, and it would have been a radar, but it's not. It looks kind of fancy because it's close, but close calls don't pay bills. Well, that is now 6 straps down. Come on, strap number 7. We need some help. Strap number 7 gave us another Star Note 2021 this time, and a good old odometer bill. Odometer bills are when the last digit or two are slightly elevated in the serial number. You can see it straight there, and then that 4 looks like it's an odometer spinning up or down. And yeah, some of these will fetch money. I mean, I've seen them sell for $5 or $6 on eBay, but this one is in rough shape. If it was a crisp, clean bill that was like that, I probably would hold on to it, but based on the condition, we're just gonna send it back. And then almost had a nice bookender, 282 00 285. Bookenders are somewhat collectible. They're not ones that I collect, but had it been 2820 and then 0282, I would have kept it because it would have been a bookender, plus it would have been a radar because it would have been 2820 2820. That would have been a keeper. It's not, just another close call. We now have 6 Star Notes through 7 straps. We're not on pace. We need some help. Come on, strap number 8. We need you. Strap number 8. Just another Star Note to add to the Star Note pile. But take a look at this 2003 A series bill. I don't keep anything above 2000, but holy cow, it is in pretty crispy shape. It does have one billfold. Probably was in a wallet for a little bit. But how has this escaped 21 years of being in circulation, or whenever it was actually truly printed? Probably 20 years in circulation, and still looks that good. I hate sending it back, but it's not one I can hold on to. That is 8 straps down. Come on, strap number 9. Let's get some good finds. Strap number 9 was a bust. We did find a bill from 1999. Not that fancy, not in great shape, but I am putting those aside for a subscriber who likes them. Last strap coming up, number 10. We need some Star Notes or something fancy in this last strap. Well, strap number 10 is going to send us off with a final Star Note. It's a 2017 A, so I don't think it's rare. And I think we have 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So not bad. 8 Star Notes is better than last time. We've been getting 7, 8, and 9 a lot lately, not more than 10 like we used to. Either way, we have to plug them into the Star Note lookup site to see if we have any rare ones. Let me do that really quick, and then I'll bring you back to let you know what I found out and to give some final thoughts on this 10-strap hunt. All right, we have finished plugging in all of today's Star Note finds into the Star Note lookup site. The 2013 is common. The 2017s are both common. And these 3 2017 A's are all common. That means these 6 bills right here probably worth $2 or $3 a piece in circulated condition because they are replacement notes and people do collect them. We had a couple of decent bills here. I'll start with this one. This is a 2017 A. This F bill right here actually has a good print run of only 640,000, but the total printed is almost 11 million. So because it's slightly rare on the print run, but not even close to being rare on the total printed, it's really only worth maybe an extra buck, plus it's not in great shape. The star of the show is going to be this bill right here. I wish it was in better shape. As you can see, a 2021 bill, starting with this serial number, only a 640,000 total printed, along with a 640,000 print run size. So had this bill been crisp and clean, it'd probably be a good $10 to $20 bill to most collectors. Unfortunately, it's not in great shape. So probably an extra buck or two on top of that one, and probably $2 or $3 to $4 on top of the other ones. Either way, it's fun getting a couple of more rare Star Notes, and I would classify this one as a rare Star Note in general based on both the print run and the total printed size. Too bad it's not great. I do want to make one more mention. In my change the other day, it's been in my wallet because it was already billfolded. Look what I got from a bank teller the other day. An old 1963 A series Star Note $100 bill. Man, it's tough to send it back, but it's not perfect, and collectors won't pay more than 10% over face for this. And by the time I ship it, it's just not worth it. But man, it's hard to spend it. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys would do with this. If you were given this, would you hold on to it? It's hard to hold on to hundreds. Or would you try to sell it? Just let me know. Hopefully you had fun watching this $1,001 bill hunt. If you did, I certainly would appreciate that thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting and thanks for watching.